Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to create chart on Excel. You can create chart like column, you can create bar chart, anyone you want. Let's start. In Excel here we have information. It is about selling. We have different months, January to December. On any month we have some value. It is seller value. In January we have 25,000. Here we have 30,000 or 28,000. In December we have 65,000. Let us create chart for this information. Click on your data, then come to here and insert. Here is recommended chart. Click here. In this page, first you see the recommended chart. It is recommended by Excel. You can use any of them you want. Choose this line, then click on OK. Look, you have line chart. Again, come to insert, come to recommend. You can choose this chart or this one. Anyone you want, you can choose. For example, if I choose this one, then click on OK. Here we have this chart. It is increase. Then here also we have decrease. You can see information of any month. Again, click on recommended chart. Here we have all chart. From here we can choose different type of chart like column chart. Click on column. Here we have simple chart and also 3D chart. When I click on 3D, we have 3D chart. For example, I want to choose this one, then click on OK. Look, now our chart is like 3D. Guys, in this step, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel for more useful content like this and hit the bell icon. When I upload the new video, you will have notification. Let's continue. Again, come to recommended chart, all chart. Here we have different template. If you want to use line, click on line. Or if you want to use bar chart, you can select bar chart like this. If you have more information, you can use from this chart. But for this information, I want to use column chart, especially this one. Then click on OK. But you can use any of them you want. For example, if you want to use chart like circle or like map, any of them you want, you can select. Now let's continue. Here we have one chart. In the right top corner, here we have this plus. When I click in this plus, here is different element. When I click for any of them, here we have one extra information. For example, when I click on data label, look, in the top of any data we have label. For example, for December we have 64, for November we have 58. You can play with this element. When I click in the data table, we have all data under the chart. Like this, you can play with this chart element. You can choose any element you want or you need. Here is chart style. From chart style, we can use different style for our chart. I want to remove this information. Again, click here. It was data table. Click on style. Here we have different style. Any of them you want, you can select. For example, I want to select this one, or I want to select this one. Any of them you want, you can select. Here we have color. You can use different color. Look, this kind of color, or this kind of color, or this kind of color. Any of them you want, you can select. And also here we have filter chart or chart filters. Click here. When you want to draw chart for some information, choose your information. I don't want to create chart for all of them. Just I want to create for January, for February, for March, and also April. Then click on apply. Look, we have chart just for this 4 months. And also July, for example, September. Again, click on apply. You have chart for this 2 months also. Like this, you can create chart for all your information, and also you can create for some information, but I want to click for all of them. Then click on apply. Now we have chart for all of this information. When you create chart, here we have chart design, here we have chart format. If you want to add some format for your chart, you can use from format, play with this format. And also here we have design chart. Here we have select data. If you want to select, you can select from here also, but we can do from filter also. Here we have quick layout. When you click on quick layout, here we have different template. Look, when I put my mouse on any of them, we have different template. You can play with this layout also. Any of them you like, you can select. Here is also chart element, and also you can play with this chart element. When I click on primary horizontal, we have this information here. When I click on vertical, we lost this information, or we remove this information. And also here we have for data label also. When I want to remove my label from data, I can click on none, or I can click on center. Anywhere you want, you can put your label. Play with this data. You can create your own chart. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Before closing the video, don't forget to like this video. Have a good day. See you soon.